I'm Dino Camral. I'm 36 years old. I'm married. I'm hardworking and responsible.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
And two employers in the house.
Do you like babies?
Yes, ma'am.
How about children?
Yes, ma'am. I have the children and siblings and nieces.
What have been your specific duties as a gardener in the past?
I have the patining, watering, and then digging, then weeding, and spray the pesticide.
What specific tools and equipment have you used to help you in your gardening work?
Blowing, and trimming.
What is your message to your future employer?
If you hire and do my best and then finish the contract. Thank you, ma'am.